Here we have to find matrix X if first matrix has elements 4, 5, 3, 6 plus matrix X is equal to, you have a matrix on the right hand side with the elements 10, 1, 0 and minus 5. In order to obtain matrix X, we transfer this matrix 4, 5, 3, 6 on the right hand side. So when it gets transferred on the right hand side, it would get subtracted. So what we get here is, we could easily obtain the value of X as, the matrix X would be, you have 10, 1, 0, minus 5, and if we transfer this on the right hand side, it would get subtracted. So minus the matrix with elements 4, 5, 3, 6. And now we subtract the corresponding elements. So if we subtract the corresponding elements, we obtain matrix X as 10 minus 4, that would be the first element. Next would be 1 minus 5. Next would be 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3. And last would be minus 5 minus 6. So if we perform this subtraction, we obtain X as, this difference is 6. 1 minus 5, that's minus 4. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11. So this is the required matrix X.